Hi, welcome to Living with Cam. My name is Camilla. In this week's video, I'm coming back to you guys with another meal prep. For breakfast, we're going to be having a turkey and spinach frittata. For lunch, we're going to be having chicken salad. And for dinner, we're going to be having grilled chicken hibachi. If you want to see how I made this week's meal prep, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to get started with our frittata. The first thing I want to do is slice up this sweet onion. Okay, so we already have our skillet preheated, and we actually have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. I forgot to mention that earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and add our onions to the pan. We're just gonna let these onions cook out for a few minutes. Okay, guys, so our onions have cooked down some. Now we're gonna add some spinach. And we're gonna just cook it until it wilts down. Our spinach has wilted down some, so I'm going to add some seasonings to our onions and spinach. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add some pink salt. And I'm going to cut the eye off and just shoot this to the side. Okay, so here I just have some sliced turkey that I got from my deli. And I'm just going to slice it up some more to go into our frittata. Nice bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I'm going to leave this to the side, and we're going to, oh, I need a fork. Okay. What I have here is 4 eggs, so I'm going to crack those and add them to my bowl. I'm going to add some pink salt. Some black pepper. I mean some garlic powder. Then some black pepper. I'm going to add some egg whites. Add the rest of this container. A little bit I have. I had a little bit left in that container. And then I'm going to open up this new one and add a little bit more. That should be good. And I'm going to scramble them. so we're gonna take our pan that has our veggies in it. We're gonna add our turkey meat. Just kind of sprinkle it over. And that was about a half of a pound that I got, so more like a half a pound of, you know, your sliced meat. I forgot to mention that you need to spray like the edge of the pan so that the eggs don't stick. Even though we cooked our veggies in oil, it really didn't get around the edges. We're gonna go ahead and add our eggs to it. And then on top, we're going to sprinkle some cheese. You guys know I love to use the Fiesta blend. And we're gonna pop this in the oven for between 15 to 20 minutes, just until the eggs are nice and thick. Now we're gonna get started on our hibachi. I have some chicken tenderloins that I've cleaned, and I'm just gonna chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I just added some of my chicken to the pan that I had preheated. I'm going to add some seasonings to it now. I'm going to take some of my goya seasoning and add it to it. I'm going to take some onion powder and garlic powder. And don't be shy with the garlic powder. And then I'm going to add some black pepper to it and just continue to cook it. So while our chicken is cooking for our hibachi dish, I'm actually going to take these 3 chicken breasts and throw them in the oven for our chicken salad. I'm going to season these very simply. I'm going to add some grapeseed oil to them. I'm going to add some of my goya seasoning. This is like my favorite seasoning, y'all. I love putting on everything. I'm going to add some of my Mrs. Dash table blend. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to mix it all up with my hands on both sides. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And I'm going to cook these for about 15 minutes. These are actually whole chicken breasts. They're like chicken breasts that have been cut. I bought it like that at the store because I didn't need that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna prepare our vegetables for our hibachi while our chicken is still cooking. This is some zucchini. Typically in hibachi, I see zucchini, onion, and mushrooms. I'm not a mushroom fan, but feel free to add mushrooms because I know a lot of people do like them. I just don't. Batches. I'm going to add the first batch into the second batch, and then I'm going to add some light soy sauce, I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce, and I'm going to add a little bit of pure honey, organic honey, I should say. I'm going to cook this all together until the sauce reduces and caramelizes around the chicken. So I just took our chicken out of the skillet, and we're going to cook the vegetables the same way that we did the chicken. I'm going to add my zucchini and my onions. I'm going to add the same seasonings that I added on my chicken. So I'm going to add some of my goya seasoning, some onion powder, and some garlic powder and black pepper. And we're just going to cook these up until they become tender. And then we're going to add the same sauce to the veggies. Okay, so our veggies have cooked down. We're going to do them the same way that we did our chicken. We're going to add a little bit of soy. Not too much because we already added some salt to it. Our teriyaki sauce. And a drizzle of honey. We're going to mix these all together until the sauce reduces. To the same pan, I have it on kind of a medium-high heat. We're going to make our fried rice. I'm going to add some carrots, some diced up carrots. I'm going to throw those around for a second. And then what I have here is some brown rice that I cooked in vegetable broth. If you're watching my video, my other meal prep video from last week, then you will see that I showed you how I made this rice, but I made it yesterday and it's been sitting in the refrigerator. You don't want to use hot rice. You want it to be completely cool. So I just made this rice yesterday and had it sit in my refrigerator. I'm going to add that to the pan. And just break it up. I'm going to let this cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, so to this rice, I'm going to add some of our light soy sauce. And I'm going to add some frozen peas. gonna keep stirring that and let everything keep through, and the rice will be done. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on our chicken salad. So what I have here in this bowl is that chicken that we baked. I just chopped it up into chunks. And so now I'm gonna dice up some celery. I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna take some Greek yogurt. Some light mayo. Some sugar-free sweet relish. I'm gonna take some celery salt, sorry. Some black pepper. And some onion powder. I'm gonna mix it all together and then taste it for seasonings. Okay, so we're just gonna plate this up and this will be ready to go. Okay guys, so here we have our completed meal prep. I just sliced that frittata that we made for breakfast and portioned it out into 5 portions. Then for our lunch, we have our hibachi chicken and vegetables with our fried rice. For our dinner, I made our chicken salad and put it in romaine lettuce leaf for wraps. And then for my snack, I know I haven't showed you guys a snack in a while, but for this week's snack, I'm just gonna do my Skinny Girl popcorn, the butter and salt flavor. 1 bag is a serving. And this is our completed meal prep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video if you did. Share it with someone who you think might enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Have a blessed week. Bye.